Most mobile surveillance units are built for a single purpose with little ability to adapt once deployed. Mobile Pro Systems builds differently. Instead of designing around a single deployment scenario, Mobile Pro Systems engineers flexible surveillance platforms that can be reconfigured for different operational needs. One deployment may require crowd monitoring and perimeter awareness at a major stadium event. Another may require asset protection, access control, and site awareness at a construction site. The next may require radar integration and drone detection around critical infrastructure. Reconfigure surveillance tools based on the mission, add radar, LiDAR, and other advanced surveillance technologies. Adapt deployments for different operational needs. Redeploy the same platform for the mission at hand. Because the platform was designed from the start to support evolving surveillance requirements, advanced sensor integrations, and long-term operational flexibility. One platform, multiple missions. Mobile Pro Systems.